afternoon, everybody, and I am here today at Pop Century exploring my home resort, and it is such a fun place, guys. I can't believe that I'm gonna have the opportunity to work here. It's colorful, the music's nice, the pools are absolutely mind-blowing, especially the main one, the Hippy Dippy pool. It is just such a fun resort to be at. So I apologize for the crazy hair. You know how the wind here has been a little bit rough, but I'm not letting that stop the my nice walk around my resort here. I don't start training until Monday, but I wanted to come and check out my resort beforehand and just kind of get a layout and feel for the land so I know what I'm talking about when a guest has any questions, and I want to be as helpful as possible. So I feel like the only way to get to do that is to come here as a guest yourself and really explore the area. I already did some shopping, so I cannot wait to send these gifts back home and surprise my family with them. But it's just been such a nice, relaxing weekend. Tonight we are going to the boathouse at Disney Springs for dinner, and I'm so excited. Apparently they have some of the best seafood on Disney property. And I'm just living it up until, you know, the work life begins. I feel like right now is kind of my time to just relax and enjoy myself and just soak it all in, because who wouldn't want to soak in their experience in Florida? That's basically it for right now. I will try to film some clips around the resort as I take my walk, and perhaps I'll film a little bit later at dinner. I don't know, I guess we'll see. But if I don't talk to you again today, I love you guys, and I will check in with you tomorrow. Bye! Everybody, it is I want to say like 3 hours later since I got back from Pop Century, and I decided I had a little extra time, so I gave our bathroom a very needed deep clean, including the shower. I went Magic Eraser crazy on that sucker, and it just feels so good to like have it deep cleaned. The day we moved in, I cleaned it up a little bit, but I really didn't have the time to like do a deep, you know, get all that grime out and stuff. So this was the official first bathroom clean, and I'm hoping that after this, I'll just try to keep it on a weekly schedule and keep it nice, because I do not do dirty bathrooms. Dinner is in a couple hours, so I think I am going to get myself ready, put my hair in something, and put some makeup on my face, and just chill. I already did my Costco order for tomorrow, because tomorrow is my reset day, and yeah, just kind of enjoy my last official day of like not having to worry about work schedules and stuff. So I will catch up with you guys a little bit later at dinner.